Introducing the TX7210 Addressable Single Input Output Module, a compact, intelligent interface designed to integrate external devices into addressable fire alarm systems. The TX7210 provides reliable monitoring and control through a configurable input and a 24V DC/2A relay output, enabling seamless integration with a wide range of field devices for fire and supervisory applications. Key specifications: EN54-18 certified. Loop or external power supply. Normally open dry contact input. Address range, 1 to 254. LED status indication for normal, active, and fault conditions. Compact, easy to install, and engineered for dependable performance, the TX7210 delivers the flexibility, reliability, and standards compliance required for modern fire detection and alarm installations. TX7210, intelligent integration. Reliable control. Built for professional fire safety solutions.